Hello and welcome to Finance 101. On my last video, I showed you how to transfer money from Binance into Trust Wallet. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. So this is my main dashboard if you log into Trust Wallet. So in the last video, if you remembered, we transferred money from BNB into Smart Chain. The Smart Chain is this one right here. So I think we put in around $28, but it's been going down a little bit, so we have only $26 left if you see right here. So how do you buy crypto in Smart Chain? So what we have to do is we're gonna go down over here to down here beside wallet to D apps. So you click on D apps and you will see this over here. So we're looking for Pancake Swap. So the first one here is my Pancake Swap, but if you don't have it, you can easily type in on the top here Pancake Swap and it will show up and you have it for next time. It will stay with your history because mine say history up here and you can see that's the ones I've been using. So I'll click on Pancake Swap right here and this is how it looks like. So you can see I have BNB. So first of all, you make sure up here where it has this numbers up here, over here is my wallet. So if it's the first time you're using it, you need to go in. To connect to your wallet, click on the rabbit picture on the side and you just press connect. When you press connect, it will bring you here to connect to a wallet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for Trust Wallet. So it's the second one here as Trust Wallet, and you click on Trust Wallet and your profile Pancake Swap want to connect your wallet. So you come down, you press connect, and that is how you connect your wallet to your account. You're gonna see the BNB over here. So that's the BNB, how much I have in here. So that's good. And under that, so from, you're gonna leave it at the BNB, the Smart Chain BNB. And the bottom is you select whatever you wanna buy. So how do you know what to buy? So you can use other app to help you find which crypto you wanna buy before you put it in here. So you can go to CoinMarketCap to search for cryptos before then you need to copy the contract number to come put in here to be able to buy it. You can use that CoinMarketCap, or the one I use is CoinGecko. So it's an app I downloaded on my app store. So let's go over to CoinGecko. So it's right here. So CoinGecko right here, that's where you're gonna search which one you wanna buy. So what do I wanna buy right now is, so I'm gonna go to see where it say USD BTC. It's 24 hours. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna click on all over here and I'm gonna go to recently added. So I wanna buy the ones that has been recently added, because crypto goes up and down so quick that if you can get in early, it's a good chance you can make good money out of it. So that's why I'm using the recent added one. So I'm gonna scroll down, and since crypto is very volatile, it goes up and down, what I wanna buy is I'm gonna use the analogy where Warren Buffett would say cigar butt. When he first started investing, he would just buy a concentrator of a lot of different stocks, and he hope at least if he has a 20, he hope that 5 out of 20 will do good because that'll cover most of his costs. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So what I normally do is look for the one with a bunch of zeros in front of it. So if you see the Tata here, the TATA one, it has a 0.1234567 zeros in front of the 1. So if you go in, you click on it, and when you get in, so I'm looking a little bit at the chart a little bit, being up a little bit, and it went down, and it came down, and it went up a little bit, and it seemed like it's leveling off a little bit. So what you need to do is pay attention to this little yellow sign on here, the Binance sign on there. When it has the sign, means that you can buy it at Binance or you can buy it at Trust Wallet. So if I want to buy this here, all I'm gonna do is the contract address here, copy it, the little clipboard over here. I can copy it and go paste it in there. So let me show you another one where you won't be able to buy because it has a different sign on there. So okay, so this one right here, the sign on here, if you go here under the contract address, here's a different sign on here, so I won't be able to buy this one at Binance or Trust Wallet. So always pay attention to that. You can copy and paste it in there. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one. Let's say copy to clipboard. So I go back, and then where it say to, if I click on select currency, it's gonna open up here, and I'll paste the address here, paste, and then if I where it say token name, see that little arrow going down, if I press it, it's supposed to show me, see, nothing happening here. That means I can't buy it here. So I'll go back and find one that I'll be able to buy here. So let me scroll down again. So this is no mean any recommendation because I'm just trying it out and trying to find something good to buy and see if it go up. Okay, so this one is down 22%. The KIMJ is down 22.8%. So let me see if I'll be able to buy some of this one. Hopefully if it goes up 22, you go back to normal. Well, if you see the chart be really been going down, like straight down, so maybe this won't be the good idea to buy this one. Let me try a different one. Seems like it's just going down right now. So maybe you need to find one that is kind of trending up a little bit. Let me see. Okay, let me see this TKINU one. Down 23%. Let's see if it's starting to trend up a little bit. Then maybe you consider buying this one. Still going down. Nope, I can't buy this because it doesn't have the Binance sign on there. But I don't think it's a good one to buy anyways. Let's scroll down. Hopefully you find one. Don't want to make this video too long. Okay, this one here look like it's up 31%. And this one over here is 132%. I tried 132%. So the HUA. So let's go in and see if we're able to buy that one. Seems like it's going up, so hopefully we'll continue to go up. So I got a bunch of zeros on there. Okay, seems like it's trending up. Okay, we'll be able to buy it. So I'm gonna buy a little bit of this. So I'll copy it here. Go back to Trust Wallet. Click on select currency. And I'm gonna paste the address in here. And if I press the arrow up and down a couple times, it should be able to show. Okay, here it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it to it. So it's been added. And then I'm gonna close it off. So now I have to select now. Which one was it? I just added this thing. Okay, let me go back and see what the ticker is again. So the ticker is going to be HUA. So, okay. I can't find it, but I can always type in here HUA. Okay. I'll click on it now. Okay. So you confirm, and after it will tell you that transaction submitted. So then you go to close. And it's as simple as that. And if you're trying to buy and it's not working, maybe you want to change the 12% down into 11, or if you have 11 you can change to 12. So what you do is you come up here where it says change, click on over here, and you can change to 11, and you can try again. Try 11 or 12, one of them will work for you. So now that we got it, we're gonna go back to we're gonna go back and see where it is being added to our. So you come back to wallet, and it should be down here on your list over here. So that's all the things I own here. Since I can't find it, I'm gonna click on the corner up here, and I have to add it to it. So I forgot which one it was again. Let me look at it again. So we're looking for HUA. Okay, so I'm typing in here HUA. Now that I see it's over here, and I'm gonna here, if off like that, so if you click it on now, it should be on your list when you go see it now. So that we've done that, I'll close it, and I'll come here, go back, and it should be here, HUA. So as you can see, it's right here on my list now. It's as simple as that to buy in from Trust Wallet. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Give me a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon so every time I make a video,